Just woke up and getting ready to go work out. It's really cold outside and all of our workout equipment is like outside. It's undercover though. Today is officially the start of my diet completely and my workouts. So I'm not gonna be too hard on myself since it is the first day and I don't wanna like make myself stop. I want it to be sustainable. I'm just gonna walk on the treadmill, maybe run at the end, and yeah. Something's going on with my stomach though. Like I've been feeling like super ill every night, which has not been ideal, but hopefully like working out and eating better will solve it, but we'll see. I'm just letting my dogs out to go to the bathroom right now, and then we're gonna go work out. I must say, record time on my end for editing. Also, I forgot to film working out because I don't know. I don't know. I didn't do that much. It wasn't crazy. Like I said, building up, you guys, building up. I'm trying to make it something that I'm stay consistent at. So slowly but surely, bitch, we're getting this body yaddy. Actually so freezing cold in my house. You wouldn't even imagine. Like, ugh, this bitch is frozen icicle. Got the heater on right below here. I'm trying to see what these little protein bagels are all about because you guys know today's the first day of my diet. So we're gonna high protein it up. Come on. So we need cottage cheese. We need a half a cup of cottage cheese. You can't even really see what I'm doing. I'm sorry. Boom. To preserve cottage cheese, you're supposed to smooth out the top. Did anyone know that? Because I certainly did not. I'll just go like this. 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Boom. And a pinch of salt. Okay, apparently this is supposed to make a dough. This is what it's looking like. Maybe I just gotta get rough with it. Then I have to form it into a bagel. That's cute. That's cute, come on. Now we gotta do a little egg wash. So we're gonna do an egg, water. I'm gonna add a little garlic and herb. And of course, everything but the bagel. And we're gonna put this in the oven for 15 to 20. I just had to chase down my dog. But I'm back. The bagel is ready. She may need to be toasted on the inside, but I don't know yet. Oh, bitch, that's hot as fuck. Bitch. Oh. I'm having flashbacks to that one YouTube video. Ah! Or was it a TikTok? It might have been a TikTok, I don't remember. At this point, my days bleed into each other. Definitely gonna toast the inside. That looks good though. Okay guys, I feel like I'm actually really happy today. I have a couple things that I wanna share with you guys. So first, obviously, you know I got a new phone. I'm obsessed with the quality of this. So I filmed like one makeup tutorial on my TikTok and I posted it on my Instagram too. And the quality is so good. I'm like, what the actual fuck? So that kind of makes me more inspired to film more tutorials like on my phone. And then other than that, I just have a feeling like things are gonna work out. Like, wait, what's the word? My bagel's done. What's the word? I don't know the word. But I just have a feeling things are gonna really work out. But not only are they gonna work out, it's gonna like work in my favor, like tenfold. So I'm really excited to kind of vlog and see how that unfolds because I just have this deep feeling. I know. And when I know, I'm usually not wrong. So I'm really excited for that. Yesterday, I got invited to my cousin's bachelorette party. So I'm really excited for that. That'll be this upcoming spring. So we're gonna go to Arizona for that. That'll be so exciting. And then a couple other things. Yeah, there might be some other trips planned. Bless you. For this year, there definitely will be. But I don't want to speak them into existence until they are happening. I also kind of look like a boy this morning, but that's fine. What, you need to go outside? Just really excited and genuinely just looking forward to the future and right now. And yeah, I'm just really happy, and I hope that everything is going good in your guys' lives. And if it's not, just remember that things will always work out. Especially, one thing I try to remind myself is if everything kind of feels like it's falling apart and you're just like feeling like you're hitting rock bottom, I always think of this metaphor or simile or whatever it is that says an arrow has to be pulled back before it can be shot forward. So if you feel like you're being pulled back, just know you're about to be shot forward. So I'm really excited for you guys as well. And yeah, I'm just genuinely happy today. So I hope that comes across in this video. And yeah, also we went to Trevor's grandpa's birthday last night, and he is the sweetest heart ever. I love him so much. Let me check on my bagel. Okay, what I was trying to say was I'm also excited because I'm gonna be doing makeup today, and I've just been loving makeup lately. Like I really have. I love makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna do some makeup today, and the last transition I posted is doing like oddly well, which like I didn't even like the video. So I'm glad I posted it because obviously other people love it. But yeah, that was kind of surprising. God damn, that bitch is hot. Take the bottom piece and we're gonna put a little cream cheese on her. Do a little hot sauce. 2 of these little guys. They're turkey sausages, so they're better than regular. I fried 1 egg. And then the top. Oh my god, you guys, this looks amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna try cutting it. Let's taste test our high protein egg white bagel. Bro. That literally tastes just like a bagel. If not actually better than a bagel. Oh my god, this is so good. Wow. That's so good. 10 out of 10. That actually left me feeling full as shit. I love it. I love it. That was really good. Oh my god. I'm gonna sit on the couch for a little bit under the heated blanket because I'm so cold. Maybe only 10, 15, 20. And then we're gonna do makeup. So can't wait for that. What the hell is that from?
A side job I just did.
What the hell?
I know. Money, 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 money.
Okay, time for makeup. I'm so excited. I'm gonna chug my coffee. We're gonna do some hair and then we're gonna do the makeup. I'm doing unrecognizable makeup again. Because someone commented, you didn't do anything. Also, I am doing this makeup from my beautiful mutual, Ethan. Is that not so beautiful, gorgeous, sexy, flawless? Thank you. So, that's the makeup. My makeup inspo for today. And yeah, I'm really excited. And I'm gonna do like pin curls. Or like my version of pin curls. So I'm gonna do those and then I'll come back and I'll show you. Okay, my hair is in the pinup curls. And now I'm just gonna do my makeup. Here is the final makeup. I'm obsessed. Do you see how beautiful this is? I actually had so much fun doing this makeup, and I also filmed a TikTok about the whole TikTok ban, which I'm probably gonna post tomorrow or the next day. Just like telling everyone where I'm gonna be going, because I think I've been in denial that it's gonna be banned. And although I am doing YouTube, that's so sad. Like, so many years of my life just deleted. Whatever. Been through it with Vine, so whatever. I'm watching Trevor play this scary game, and he's literally right in that room. So I think I'm gonna go scare him. Wait, should I pull it up on here? Okay, watch this.
You tried? You tried? What the fuck, babe? Oh my god. Nah, that's some bullshit. That's actually some bullshit.
But you said I tried.
I was talking to whoever the fuck sent that sound alert.
Me?
Bitch, what the fuck?
That was a success. Okay, time for dinner. This is what we're having. Grilled cheese burritos, but they're 500 calories and 60 gram protein. So pretty good. Dinner time. And yes, I'm wearing this jacket inside because it's fucking cold. Okay, get to the fucking recipe, bro.
Let's get into it. Start by adding diced white onion to a pan and cooking it until it gets a little color.
I make the rice though. I just realized I threw away my perfect strainer for rice, so I have to use this even though rice would definitely be able to go through that.
Twisted my headphones and
This is what happens after dicing an onion. Not for the weak, let me tell you that. It's actually so bad. If any of you have tips on how to stop that, please let me know.
asked to join the stream. You can
Okay, copycat grilled cheese burritos. I don't even know if you can see them. Very good.
Amazing.
Hi guys. I look crazy. Last time you saw me I had makeup on, but because my eyes kept watering so bad, I had to take it off. I'm gonna make some dessert. I'm taking 0 sugar Cool Whip, peanut butter, raspberry jello. I'm gonna take peanut butter and I'm gonna my camera battery is dead. Okay, I changed the battery. I have a peanut butter walled thing. One thing I love about Trevor and me, but mainly Trevor,
What?
is that he has coffee in the evening. Like, what time is it? 8 p.m.
Yeah.
It's 8
It's
p.m.
actually
I love it. Your son could have this.
Okay, I'm gonna go play Flight Sim for a little
Oh,
bit. Love you.
I love you. Wait, but I just want some of your coffee and stuff.
Do you want me to pour a little bit into a glass?
No.
You just want some, you want a sip?
Yeah, because if I have my own glass, it's cheating my diet. But if I have a sip, it's not.
It's sugar free though.
Yeah, it is.
Good? Jello yogurt jigglers? What? The fuck?
Jello yogurt jigglers.
No.
That's a crazy name. I can't
The
lie.
term jigglers.
The whole idea of this is to have a peanut butter and jelly dessert, which is funny because I don't even like peanut butter and jelly. Okay, so I was just getting ready for bed and I realized, look how long my hair is getting. Hold on, can you even see it? Like, my hair is actually getting pretty long. Makes me so happy because I am growing out my hair this year. I don't know if I've even said that anywhere, but I'm growing out my hair this year. I don't want to cut it like at all. I want to literally see how long I can grow it out. Because I just feel like me with long hair is a vibe. And I haven't gone long since I was a teenager. So I would love to do that. So yeah. Anyway, I think this is it for this vlog. I love you guys so much. Thanks as always for tuning in, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Okay, love you, bye.